In the world of giant earth movers, Caterpillar ruled the American landscape. But Japan had an answer, a mechanical beast that carved its name in the dirt. The Komatsu D475A wasn't just a bulldozer. It was the foundation for something even greater, the legendary D575A. Let's dig into the real story behind this earth-shaking machine. In the late 1980s, Caterpillar was king with its D10 and the emerging D11. But Komatsu was catching up, fast. They had already proven themselves with the D355A and D375A, but they knew they needed something bigger to truly compete in the American mining scene. Enter the D475A, released in 1988. A machine built not just to push dirt, but to push back against the American giant. And little did the world know, the lessons learned from this dozer would lead to something even more monstrous, the Komatsu D575A. Let's talk raw power. Weight, over 238,000 pounds. Engine, Komatsu SA12 V140E3, a turbocharged V12 diesel producing 890 horsepower. Blade capacity, up to 45.4 cubic yards. Ground clearance and traction, designed for rugged mines and deep cuts. Many of the systems developed for the D475A, like the modular drivetrain and reinforced frames, were directly used and scaled up in the creation of the Komatsu D575A. The D475A served as the test bed, the proving ground, for what would become the largest production bulldozer in the world. Komatsu built the D475A to do more than look impressive. This was precision engineering, modular transmission and torque converter, quick serviceability, hydraulics with auto blade pitch, increasing productivity, double bogie undercarriage, reducing frame shock and improving track life, operator cab comfort, quiet, spacious, and ergonomic. Later, D475A. Models like the D475A5 and D475A8 introduced advanced telematics, auto gear shifting, and environmental compliance systems. But these were more than upgrades. They were the stepping stones Komatsu used to build the super dozer, the D575A. Komatsu didn't just build one giant bulldozer, they built a family. The D375A handled mid-size mining jobs. The D475A became the heavy hitter for coal, overburden, and large construction. And when Komatsu D575A entered the scene in the 1990s, weighing over 150 tons and pushing over 69 cubic yards of material, the D475A had already prepared the market. It's no exaggeration to say the D475A paved the way for the D575A to succeed. In the US, the D475A quickly found work in places like Powder River Basin, coal mines, Appalachian mountain stripping operations, Western oil sand projects. It went toe-to-toe with the Caterpillar D11, sometimes winning in cost efficiency and ripping power. And when paired with the Komatsu D575A in massive mining fleets, the D475A served as the support machine, handling prep work, clearing paths, and working alongside the super dozer in harmony. Even now, in 2025, the D475A continues working in quarries and mines around the world. It's durable, reliable, and built for long-term ownership. Some units have logged over 40,000 hours. But its true legacy? It's the bulldozer that bridged the gap between high performance and super heavy equipment. Without the D475A, there might never have been a D575A. The D475A isn't just a machine. It's a mechanical chapter in Komatsu's rise to global power, and its roar still echoes today. Like, comment, and subscribe to Machine Masters 79, where legends of steel never die.